Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, Taurus, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Taurus. And Taurus, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. I'll be sharing her link in the description so you can contact her. She's a very good intuitive reader. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have the Empress, Page of Suns in reverse, and Abbess of Stars. So in your circumstances today, it may be in your career or it may be in your relationship, you are having someone in your life, someone close to you. It may be your sibling or a friend whom you trust, but this person is trying to be really obsessive. They have some views or ideas and they want to give their inputs. They want to influence you, and it may be a wrong influence today. Maybe it's not helping you today. So you need to be careful if you have someone like this in your circumstance. You need to be really careful with this person. But you believe this person to be a wise and a noble person, a good person helping you, and you would have trusted this person, but though they are good from your point of view, trustworthy, reliable, maybe today you need to be careful. It may be true even in your relationship. So maybe this person has some ideas or suggestions to give you. It may work some other time maybe, but today you should not listen to them. The ideas they are giving you, it may not help you. It may just lead you into some difficult circumstance. So though you know them for quite a long time, you cannot trust this person today, Taurus. So it may be this person you love. So you need to be really careful. You must not make any important decisions, because this person is just trying to influence you in a wrong way. And Taurus, if you have people really obsessed with making you do something, making you decide on something or move you towards some path or some suggestions, they may have some strong suggestions. You must just listen to them, smile and walk away maybe, or just you can listen to this person but you cannot implement it, because whatever they are telling you, it's from their point of view and it may not work for you today. It may not work well for you. So you need to be really careful, because this person is not really concerned about you. They may have their own ideas or they may have their own plans and they are not concerned about you. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's 10 of Suns. So maybe in this connection you have a lot of burdens too many things you need to do, and you are the one person who is really responsible, and you need to handle a lot today. That may be the reason you are unable to focus on this relationship, or there are troubles in this connection. But if you can weather these storms, whatever difficulties you are facing in this connection today, Taurus, things will fall into place and there will be changes happening. There will be a lot of transformation happening in your life if you can just hold on or weather these storms. So, for your career situation, we have one card. It's Four of Stars in reverse. So with this card, you are making the right action. Maybe there may be people guiding you or helping you in your work circumstances, telling you what you need to do, but you should think for yourself. Go for the right action, the right decision today. That is going to help you a lot, Taurus. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have fairies, words. So words are the most powerful things, guys. We all know that. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you should watch your thoughts within your head and change them, and to speak the words of beauty. So this does not mean that you have to flatter someone or give into falsehoods. It is the energy here is to find the beauty within yourself, find the beauty in the people and the world around you, in every situation, and speak with this beauty and from this beauty within you. To do this, you must change the ugliness or the distortions you have in your mind, the ugly thoughts, whatever it is, that poisonous from within. So we must give up all those toxic thoughts we have. So there is work to be done at a deeper level in your mind. So when you have worked your mind, your consciousness, the words that fall from your lips, it will be like jewels falling from the lips of this princess here. So it is that external evidence of your inner beauty. So you need to work at the deeper level first. Give up all the toxic thoughts you have and find that beauty within yourself. That beauty is going to come out in the words you speak. So you need to do that work, and you have that beauty in you to offer this world. So just like rain falls from the clouds, something beautiful will come out of you if you have that inner beauty. And also, good deeds are always rewarded. So no matter what you do, maybe it may be something small or something big, whatever it is, when you do something good, it comes back to you definitely. And there is someone in your circumstance who needs your help, and you are a very kind and compassionate person. You are thinking of helping this person, maybe for some of you. And imitating someone is not the way for success. Being like someone else is not going to take you anywhere. All you need to do is change yourself from deep within, give up all the negativity you have, and embrace your beauty within yourself. That is going to change you, that is going to change your circumstance and the world around you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. Sorry guys. Poised. So with this card, it just means that you are confident about yourself today, confident about your skills and talents, confident about the way you are today. You are ready. You have come to this place. You are wise, knowledgeable, and you have a feeling that something new or some new phase of your life is beginning. And people respond to your confidence and they trust you. And this may also be the auspicious time for you to begin something new. So in your relationship also, if you're confident and happy in your own skin, you're ready for a deeper and more intimate relationship. And there is nothing to prove right now. You are completely yourself and you can handle anything. Love, friendship, or all those new connections that are coming right now towards you. You are ready to receive love and give love from your heart. And this is a very beautiful place to be. So you have that balance and that harmonious outlook on life, confidence that is going to help you to face any circumstance today in this relationship, to be that person you want to be. You are at the best right now. That is what this card is about. And there is something new coming in your life today. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.